Hello, my name is Mario Plaza Ponte. I'm certified in general surgery, colorectal surgery, and phlebology. I've been in practice since 1983. My practice is located in Monroeville, Pennsylvania, and my practice is limited to phlebology, which deals with disorders of the venous circulation. How is foam sclerotherapy different than other forms of sclerotherapy? Foam sclerotherapy consists of injecting foam into a varicose vein. Either one of the two FDA-approved drugs currently on the market, polidocanol or sotradecol, can be turned into foam by agitating the solution with a gas. Usually the solution is placed into one syringe and the gas, which is either room air or a combination of oxygen and carbon dioxide, connected through a three-way stopcock. The two syringes are agitated 10 to 12 times, and this results in the formation of a thick foam, which is then injected into a varicose vein using ultrasound guidance. Upon immediate contact of the foam with the vein wall, there is a destruction of the endothelial cells that lead to the formation of a chemical phlebitis and a soft thrombus. Treated leg is then elevated and multi-layer compression is placed on the leg. This compression remains in place for several days, and at a week's time or 2 weeks thereafter, the vein is checked on ultrasound and usually found to be closed. Over the course of several months, this vein undergoes fibrosis, and the varicose vein is thus eliminated without the need for surgical removal.